Module 6, Teacher, and Exercise 10. Christina is a lovely girl and she listens to all the kids. She will be a psychologist. Marcos is very active in the loves sports. He will become a professional athlete. Peter loves music and he plays the future every day. He will be a musician. Marcia loves to control everybody. She will be good manager of leaders. And finally, Angela, the teacher, will continue as a teacher and Bill will study his master's in mathematics. Module 6 and Exercise 2, talking about future plans. I have a lot of plans for today. I am going to take a shower now and I am going to have breakfast. And then I am going to meet my friends at the office. We are going to have lunch together and we are going to go back in the office and I am going to have coffee with Billy, my boyfriend. Thanks, teacher.